Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys can see by the title, I did get Active 8 for my BMW 340i. It's a tune made by Active Autowerks. They make plenty of tunes for all the BMW chassis, or for most of them I think, and I decided to get one for my chassis, which is the B58, or the B58 engine. Chassis is actually F30. But yeah, so I decided to get this tune because I see nothing but positive reviews on it. And I was like, you know what, I need a tune. I had JB4, I sold it, I wasn't too happy with it, but I'm not gonna get into that in this video. But yeah, I just wasn't too happy with it. Right now I'm running a catless downpipe, custom intake, you guys see in my last video, full straight exhaust, and I wasn't running a tune for about 4 months. And I was like, no, it's probably not good to run my car with all these modifications and not have a tune. So I decided to pick it up. Hopefully I do feel a difference in the car because I want to have a mobile app to see what map I'm in or certain temperatures and stuff. So pretty much I just got to feel the difference, but I'm sure I will because all the reviews are nothing but positive. So this video is mainly going to be an installation of the Active 8. I'm probably going to make a separate video showing all the different modes the car has, like Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus. But that's going to be in a separate video, so I hope you guys enjoyed the installation of this, and if you decide to get Active 8, you can watch this video and reference it for an install. So yeah, let's get to it.
Guys, according to instructions, open the hood, turn off ignition, remove the key, close and lock all doors, do not open any doors for 5 minutes until starting the process. But the directions are pretty easy, but I'm still going to film it, you know. The video visual is always better than just reading, in my opinion.
What?
Start washing my car with that shit like you did to me.
Do it! Yeah, dude, you should definitely get the JB4.
This is where you can control the boost. There's little notches, so I'm just going to turn it. It's on 5, I'm going to put it on 3, just because 5 is a little too high for 91 octane. And yeah, it's pretty simple. Let's see, you just put this on there. There it is. Now it's on 5. Actually, now it's on 3. Oops. So just put this piece back on and let's put it in the position where it's going to stay on the engine. This is where you're going to mount the tune at. You remove this shield. It's located right here. Remove this bolt. That'll be this bolt. Put it back in. Screw it up. And now let's tighten it.
I'm going to have the slotted rotors.
I need to get some of that too. Damn, it's on there tight. You gotta remove this. It just clips up. Super simple. What's up? So you route the harness back through here. There's usually a rubber cover, but I don't got it because I don't know. Hey, do you have your rubber shields right here still on top of your strut right here?
I don't know.
I don't know. Mine are gone.
Oh, they're gone too?
Yeah, they took mine off because they're supposed to hide this, the cords for the tune, but it's all good. Gotta disconnect the manifold air pressure sensor. And then plug this one in, and then this one to this one. So that's the first step. That one locks in, this one plugs into the one on the car. It's pretty straightforward, just like JB4, like I said. It's not that hard, but I'm just taking my time because I want to be careful.
This?
Yeah, so
in?
Yeah, this one goes in. There you go. And then this one goes into this. Either that way or the other way.
It's this way.
Or you're gonna plug this into this connector and then this one into one of the strut screws, just as shown right there, and that should give us power. Next, you need to connect this bypass connector and start the car and wait like 5 minutes.
Final step is to remove the bypass connector and plug it straight in. Yes, this is off my phone. It seems a little weird as far as quality. So, plug this in and let's go full race car. That's it. That's the full install for the Active 8 for B58 engine. Now let's take it for a test drive and see if it makes a difference.